Want to know how to share YouTube video on Facebook page? You would want to share a YouTube video on your Facebook page as it can drive engagement in the forms of likes, comments, share and reaction. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Online Help Guide and today I'll walk you through the process of how to share YouTube video on Facebook page. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the YouTube app on your screen. Now tap on the three dot icon right below the video you want to share to Facebook. A menu will appear. Tap on the share option. Here you can see the icons of different apps. Select the Facebook icon. Finally, tap on the post option at the top right corner of your screen. So this is how to share YouTube video on Facebook page. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.